In this video, I'm going to show you how to add secure folder to app screen on Samsung Galaxy phones. So if you're using a Samsung Galaxy phone and the secure folder is enabled on your device, then you can easily add the secure folder to your Samsung Galaxy phone app screen. So if you check through the app screen, you'll be able to have access to the secure folder from here. So if at the end of this video, you found this video helpful and educative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, when you want to add the Samsung Galaxy secure folder to your app screen, the first thing you need to do is go to your Samsung phone settings. On the settings page, you just need to scroll down. Click on security and privacy. However, if you are not seeing security and privacy, you should consider clicking on biometrics and security. So in this case, I have security and privacy. Go ahead and click that. Once you selected security and privacy, just need to scroll down and click on more security settings. Once you click on more security settings, then you should click on secure folder. Then selecting secure folder, you'll be prompted to type in your secure folder passcode. Go ahead and type in your Samsung phone secure folder passcode and click on the done button. So once you click on the done button, you'll be taken to the secure folder page. While on the more security settings page, just scroll down and click on secure folder. Then you'll be prompted to unlock your secure folder using fingerprint or PIN or Face ID. Then go ahead and unlock your secure folder. Once your secure folder is unlocked, then scroll down and click on add secure folder to app screen. Then click on that. Once you tap add secure folder to app screen, then you can just go back to your Samsung phone app screen like this. Then check through and you see your Samsung phone secure folder added to your app screen. If you cannot find the secure folder just like this, just come to the search page and search for secure folder. Then you should see the secure folder here. Then if you click to open the secure folder, you'll be able to access the secure folder directly from your Samsung phone app screen. So if this is helpful and educative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.